Hi, I'm Adora, a content designer here at KiwiCo. And today we're building the KiwiCo Staircase Automaton. Are you ready to step into some fun? Part A, build the case. First, let's start with this wooden support piece that has the KiwiCo logo on it. The piece also has a wider tab on this side. Next, insert a T-slot nut here. Now we have two wall pieces. For this step, we're going to use the taller one. Insert the wooden piece into here. Next, twist a long screw in here. Then, grab this wooden piece without the KiwiCo logo with its wider tabs at the bottom and attach a T-slot nut here. Alright, insert the piece into the tall wall in this spot. Hold these together until the next step. Then twist in a long screw to hold it in place. Now add a T-slot nut here and another one here. Then attach the slots on this side to the shorter wall. Be sure the blue side is facing inwards. Hold together till the next step. Now twist in a long screw here and another here. Alright, flip your build over. It's easier to do the next steps with the case on its side, like this. Now insert a crank through this hole on the shorter side. Next, twist in a short screw here. Then, push the cams one by one onto the crank. This part can be tricky, so you may need to ask for help if you need extra pushing power. Our first stop and check. Make sure to leave gaps between the cams. Alright, turn the crank until the wood teeth face up. Now push more cams onto the crank. One here, another here, and the third one here. Turn the handle to the horizontal position. Next, flip it back over. Make sure the cams look like this. If not, go back to steps 14 through 16. Yay, you built the case! Part B, add the stairs. Alright, grab the stair pieces and match their dots. Now find the pieces with one dot each. Alright, push the wooden piece into the stair base, the dot side on this end. Now attach the second piece here. Now attach the stair step to the top. And awesome, you built a stair. Alright, let's stop and check. Make sure all the pieces are completely pressed together, like this. Okay, repeat steps 2 through 4 to make 5 more stairs. Then set it aside for a moment. Let's connect these ramp pieces. This one slots in here. Make sure the curve is on the right side. If not, repeat step 6. Then let's bring the case back and attach the ramp piece to it. Start with this hole and then insert into this second hole. Alright, line up the dots on the stairs from high to low. The slant should face this way. Then insert the stairs into the case one at a time. Alright, let's stop and check. Make sure that 1, the stairs line up in number order, from tallest to shortest. 2, each step slants down toward the tall end of the staircase. And 3, make sure the handle is in the vertical position. Now put the small balls anywhere on the steps. Then steady the base with your left hand and turn the crank with your right hand. Yay! You built the Staircase Automaton. And if you want to keep the fun going, you can try the big balls instead. You can mix and match different sizes just to see what happens. Oh, and your crate also comes with some wiggle eyes. I think I'm gonna put mine, let's see, here and here. Okay, if you run into any trouble when you start to play, here are some tips. If the balls don't go up the stairs, first, make sure the cams are pushed all the way in and they face the correct way. See the stop and check after part A, step 17. And then check that the stairs face the right way. If the balls get stuck on the ramp, check that the ramp isn't bent. If it sags, add a little piece of tape to the bottom end here. And again, make sure the cams and stairs are also pressed into place. How do you think this automaton works? It has a lot to do with a cool mechanism called a cam. A cam is a special machine part that turns one type of motion into another. The type of motion you get depends on the shape of the cam. For this automaton, the cam makes the stairs go up and down because they're uneven. Notice how the crankshaft doesn't go through the very center of the cams. That's what makes the cams uneven. Each circle has a big side and a small side. As the cam spins, the big side pushes up and the small side lowers down. Isn't that cam-mazing? Thanks so much for building along with us today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. You can check out the stop and check. Isn't that cam-mazing? Isn't that cam-mazing? Cam-mazing? Isn't that cam-mazing?